Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today we're going to make a winter card, Christmas card, whatever you like it to be, and making a wintry scene on the front of the card using wet on wet technique to blend out blues into purples on the sky. I'm trying a new technique with the watercolors, new for me, where I put salt on the watercolor while it's still wet to try to get a nice crisp, cold feeling to the air, make it feel cold, like frosty sky. I was trying to get it to dry quicker, so I used the calligraphy book to fan it. And for the snowy hill grounds, I decided to use a little bit of light purple and a little tiny bit of blue, and just to give the snowy hills a little bit more texture to it. And I roughed in some just some little trees that have no leaves. I used kind of a mixture of blues and purples to help try to make it look pretty distant. Here I'm adding a little bit of the blue to the hilltop and kind of blending it out with the purple. Still leaving some white of the paper. I'm trying to dry it quick with the calligraphy book again. I'm trying to knock off the salt that I had put on there. I used just an old paintbrush to try and get the salt off the work. I ended up smearing the trees a bit when I was doing that, but I don't think it hurt the look of it. Kind of made it look like maybe there was some snow falling still with that salt that I had on there. This tape that I'm using for this card I had used on a previous project. I try and reuse the tape as much as I can because it takes a little bit of the stickiness off, and I have less tearing of the paper when I reuse tape instead of using brand new tape. So I just reuse this set of tape. I'm flipping it over and I am taping it down. That way I can get a better view of where I want the words to be. And it helped let the front of it completely dry a little bit flatter because it was trying to be a little bit buckled. I'm putting in the grids now to help me space out my letters and stuff. And I wanted their word winter to be centered on the page, so I counted spaces to make it to where I would have the same amount of space on either side. I'm using the largest nib that I got in this set from Five and Below with black ink. And I decided to go over it twice to make the ink more black or darker. After the ink dries, you erase all your lines. and try really, really hard to get that lined up really, really well before you crease the card. And I just used my ruler. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.